Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cancel Sam's Club membership very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official Sam's Club help center. So if you want to cancel a Sam's Club membership, if you want to cancel your Sam's Club membership and receive a refund, you have a couple options. So for immediate cancellation and refund, please visit the member service desk at any Sam's Club, or you can alternatively just call on this number and request them to cancel your membership and issue a refund. Note, after your membership is cancelled, they might retain some of your information if it's needed to comply with their legal obligations or to comply with their record retention policies or otherwise as permitted by law. So this is how you cancel your Sam's Club membership. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.